बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मेडिकल की और कुछ मार्केटिंग की, डॉन की भी जॉब्स मैं आप लोगों को बताऊँगी। अभी नर्सेस की भी आगे एक जॉब्स हैं, ठीक है। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस एट NICVD कराची। सीरियल नंबर 1 पोजीशन सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार इलेक्ट्रोफिजियोलॉजी BPS 18, एज लिमिट 35 ईयर्स। रीजनल provincial quota Sindh, required qualification and experience as per PM and DC rules and regulations. Relevant qualification and experience will be preferred. 2. Security guard contract, age limit 40 years, रीजनल सिंध का होना चाहिए। Retired from armed forces or matric with 3 to 4 years of experience at reputable organization/hospital. NICVD is an equal opportunity employer. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview where applicable. Candidates in government service should apply through proper channel. The candidate must possess required qualification and experience on closing date of the advertisement. General age relaxation is applicable on BPS post as per government age relaxation rules. No TA/DA will be admissible over test/interview. Incomplete applications will be rejected. Please mention post applied for at the top right side of envelope. Management reserves the right to accept/reject any application without assigning any reason. Interested candidates may send their updated CVs along with complete educational and experience certificates with recent passport size photograph at Human Resource Department, National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases, Rafiqi H.J, Shaheed Road, Karachi 75510, latest 5 February 2025। अच्छा जी, एक ये जॉब है सेल्स मैनेजर। एक FMCG कंपनी को अपनी प्रोडक्ट GT/LMT सेल्स के लिए सेल्स मैनेजर की ज़रूरत है। FMCG प्रोडक्ट सेल्स का 2 साल तजुर्बा और अपने काम पर मुकम्मल उबूर रखने वाले हजरात अपनी CV फौरी ईमेल करें। कंपनी मेंटेन कार आफ्टर कंफर्मेशन कराची जॉब 6@gmail.com। ये जंग की ही जॉब बता रही हूँ। अच्छा जी, अब ये नर्सेस की जॉब है। एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर नर्सेस PKLI एंड RC लाहौर। पाकिस्तान किडनी एंड लीवर इंस्टीट्यूट एंड रिसर्च सेंटर। ये मैं बता देती हूँ। वी आर डिलाइटेड टू अनाउंस द हायरिंग फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ नर्सेस 200। क्वालिफिकेशन डिप्लोमा इन जनरल नर्सिंग प्लस मिडवाइफरी और इन एनी अदर स्पेशलिटी फॉर मेल नर्सेस और BSN जेनेरिक और पोस्ट RN competitive salaries, free transport facility. Learning opportunities, medical cover for self and dependents, life insurance. Experience, fresh candidates 1 to 2 years clinical experience in IPD/OPD/endo/ICU/kidney/liver transplant or emergency/dialysis/urology. IR is preferable. Age limit 18 to 62 years. Baby daycare, free hostel facility, provident fund, lucrative leave policy, overtime benefits, COBI. Terms and conditions. Candidates must upload all required documents, qualification, experience certificates, valid license and NOC if applicable on the application portal. Incomplete application will not be considered. Shortlisted candidates must bring all original and one set of copies at the time of interview. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. No TA/DA will be admissible for the interview. PKLI and RC has the right to revoke/increase/decrease the number of positions at any time based on its need. Candidates who do not meet the selection criteria need not to apply. Apply online through job portal at https://jobs.pkli.org.pk. 440/ only applications will be entertained. Employees from government institutes must send their application along with fresh NOC issued by the concerned department. Applications after the due date will not be entertained. The applicants who have applied earlier need to apply again. The candidates who will not fulfill the required eligibility criteria can be cancelled at any stage during the process of selection or subsequently. The validity of this advertisement is for 3 months, i.e. May 5, 2025. The interviews may start from February 4, 2025. Tentatively, interviews will be conducted every 2 weeks tentatively for the applications received by then, and this process will continue for the applications received until/after the closure of advertisement. Interview data and time will be communicated to shortlisted candidates only. PKLI and RC is an equal opportunity employer. Human Resource Department, Pakistan Kidney and Liver Institute and Research Center, 1 PKLI Avenue, DHA Phase 6, Lahore, Pakistan, 04211117554 extension 3404-3405. मार्केटिंग की जॉब या रेप्यूटेबल स्टेट कंसल्टेंट रिक्वायर द सर्विसेज ऑफ फीमेल मार्केटिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर मस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड स्मार्ट, गुड लुकिंग, good salary plus company maintained car for official client visits. Email your CV at royalcrownjobs@gmail.com. 0300 895 2999 0300 895 2999. Male marketing executive required for state consultant company in defense, must have 2 years of experience. Good salary plus commission. Email royalcrownjobs@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0300 895 2999 0300 895 2999. मेडिकल की जॉब्स हैं. अच्छा, ये वाली जॉब्स मैं आपको डॉन की बता रही हूँ. डॉन संडे, जनवरी 19, 2025. मेडिकल गायनाकोलॉजिस्ट, RMO, मेल एंड फीमेल, ENT सर्जन, जनरल सर्जन, आई स्पेशलिस्ट, वार्ड बॉय. कॉन्टैक्ट फैज़ रहमान हॉस्पिटल, मेट्रोविल नंबर 1 साइट कराची. टेलीफोन नंबर 021366500202 021366500202. सेल नंबर 03222422 03222422 जमाल नूर हॉस्पिटल located in Doraji Colony, seeking an experienced ophthalmologist with an FCPS qualification and a minimum of 8 to 10 years of professional experience. Contact 021387981128 021387981128. hr@jnh.com.pk hr@jnh.com.pk. A reputable hospital in Gulshan Iqbal is seeking a medical superintendent with a minimum of 5 years of clinical and administrative experience. The ideal candidate will possess a medical degree, MD/MBPS, and demonstrate strong leadership and management skills. Interested candidates can forward their resume on info@amh.com.pk or WhatsApp on 0335255790 0335255790. Application required for consultant physician, FCPS, internal medicine, having at least 5 years post fellowship experience. Full-time senior medical officer, ICU, MBBS, having 2 years experience. Alternate night shift. Staff nurse, RN female, BSc nursing, diploma in nursing plus midwifery, having at least 2 years experience. Note: last date for submission of application is January 25th, 2025. Kharadar General Hospital is a tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar. Phone number 32510113 325101132116 extension 173, email kgh.hospital@gmail.com. Application required for FCPS residency program MBBS plus must be FCPS 1 passed OBS/ Gynae and Pediatrics. Note: last date for submission of application January 24th, 2025, Kharadar General Hospital. इनका एक्सटेंशन फ़ोन नंबर, ये ऊपर वाली ही जॉब है ये। कैंसर फाउंडेशन हॉस्पिटल Karachi has the following job opening: consultant radiologist and women imaging. Qualification is equal to FCPS/FRC, a degree in radiology, preferably a fellowship in women's imaging, or a minimum of 2 years experience in women's imaging in a reputable institute. Please send applications with CVs to hr@tch.org.pk 92213499107124 3499107124 UN 1114357787 1114357787 Defense Women Welfare Society. We are providing home patient care service, male female attendant nurses, physiotherapist, and also please contact Mrs. Nusrat 021 358 22707 021 358 22707 and 0300 9296 0300 9296 719 and 0300 2092 0300 2092 Dr. Tausif Amin's medical course for US MLE HAAD DHA MOH MCCEE AMC FCPS MRCP 0322 8271518 0322 8271518. Job opportunity at RIMS Trauma Hospital. RIMS Trauma Hospital is hiring medical officers, MO and senior medical officers, SMO for our pediatrics and gynecology and obstetrics departments. Salary package PKR 90,000 to 1,60,000. Interested candidates can apply by sending their CV to info@rimstrauma.net. WhatsApp 033043111340 033043111340. Join our dedicated team and make a difference in healthcare. Need gynecologist FCPS for Ehsan Kamal Hospital, PECHS Block 6 near Ambala Bakery for morning 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. especially young fresh doctors willing to learn and grow. Competitive pay and percentage offered. Contact hospital 130 EPECHS Block 6. Call 0213431450 0213431450 and 0300 2364321 0300 2364321. सेल्स की जॉब है। कैशियर कम सेल्स पर्सन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ स्टोर. 2+ years एक्सपीरियंस इन सुपर मार्केट और रिटेल आउटलेट इज मस्ट बी ग्रेजुएट एंड fluent in English speaking. Contact 0334058011 0334058011. Pakistan First IT Industry requires sales representative who have at least 5 year experience for sale of desktop computers, all-in-one computers, etc. in government and private organizations and corporate sector. Send your CV info@1apple-inc.com or WhatsApp 0344595555 0344595555. We are intending and contracting company working with Pakistan oil and gas refinery and power sectors and have vacancies for sales managers to sales executive. 2 candidates must have minimum experience of 2 years in oil and gas plants, pipelines and tanks constructions. Please send your CV by Email to info@ptsco.com.pk. A office furniture factory required for corporate sector. Sales candidate should be BBA/MBA in marketing. Send CV career@mehnati.com. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।